told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
So hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's Dee and I'm back again with another video. So yeah, in today's video they are doing renovation in our facility like you've seen for the first clip. So before I now start stressing my head, I need to go and have my breakfast. Yes, I just got this from the kitchen. This is, let me flip it on my side guys to see. This is potatoes. You can see it like this. This is fried potatoes. So this is my morning breakfast. I'll be having this. Yeah, we'll just hurriedly have my breakfast, then we have to continue with the rest of this video because if I don't have it now, the place is gonna be choked. Okay, yeah, so let me just eat now.
And if you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
So guys, I'm done. I'm not able to finish my food because I've tried anyways, so it's remaining, but I can't eat anymore. I am filled, like very full right now. And yeah, so let's just head into the walk properly. Okay, sorry guys, I need to clean my mouth. Offer.
You never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
This is like 3 days later, and I'll use the opportunity to show you the work. This is the end product of the work. You can see this place is looking more beautiful now. Yes. Yeah. You can also see like everywhere they just repaint everywhere and do another different what they call it, a different setup. So I'll use this opportunity now to give you guys just the reception tour that I already promised you guys. Okay, so let's start from coming from outside. Yeah, so once you're coming in, this is the door. And once you stepped inside, I just have to open the 2 doors. Once you stepped inside, the first thing you're going to be seeing there That's my office. If I'm not upstairs, I always sit here or do whatsoever I want to do here, especially with the computer and the rest of that. Yes. Then once you check this other side, you're going to be seeing 2 chairs like this, and this is how the view is from the back side. Then once we're going close, you can see I'm trying to turn the view so that you guys will see better. Sorry, my colleagues, they are doing their work. They are at the reception convenience, so I'll just have to do this tour like this, okay? So don't mind that bucket there. So this is the TV that is here for any of the guests that are sitting down. This is like a handrail, and we have this coffee table at the side, so in case you want to drop anything or something. Then we have this beautiful rug here, and we have this beautiful local I don't know what to call them. We have flowers, we have different things here. We even have is it millet? Where is that millet on sale? Okay, it's inside. Let me not go and scatter it, okay, because I don't even have strength. There's coconut here, so all those things are just local stuff. Then we have this beautiful lights here. We have this beautiful light here. Then there's this sweet couch. This is my best couch, yes, because whenever I'm relaxing here, like relaxing my back, everything looks soft and lighter. Then we have one standing AC here. For the reception, we have 3 standing AC, which is 1, there's another one there, 2, and there's another one there, 3. Then I have my own inside AC, as you're seeing from that side. Then we have these beautiful pictures. We have these beautiful pictures. You can see them. This one and this other one is the same. You can see how beautiful this design box in box out design is. Then we have this woman that is like every hospitality firm. I've always been seeing this thing. This is like an emergency alarm stuff, something. This is the breaker where you can alert whenever there's fire alarm to see. In fact, HLC persons, you guys know better, so let me not even go and wrap my mouth there, okay? So yeah, then we have this glass here that is leading you to the restaurant. Yes, this beautiful glass leading you to the restaurant. We have this picture here. In fact, whenever I am working night, this is where I hide to film my videos. You guys can always testify, or I want to round up my video, stuff like that. Then coming to this my table, we have this beautiful light. This beautiful light here. Then that's my boss office. Yes, so you can see through anything happening inside, and we can also see through anything happening inside. Yeah, then once you come inside, you can see we have the computer here, we have the printer, we have the, what they call it, intercom, we have another computer, we have first aid, we have this beautiful flower here, and we have the same stuff here. So there's nothing plenty here. These are just my paperwork that I need to go and submit when I'm done. Then I have this beautiful chair here as well at the reception that you can just relax. So we have these signatures here for those big, when I mean top oil and gas clients that visited, they've stayed here, so they are bringing their people in places like Total, Share, Slumberger, like different companies, Ball Drilling, Shelf Drilling, and the rest of that. In fact, there are plenty. So this is just like their signature here. This is a doctor that has been staying with us, or this wife or quarantine, just for big people here, Bristol, Nest Aviation, and the rest of that. So let me not just go into that, okay? I've already shown you guys this staircase. This is the guest walk staircase, and I've already shown you guys this mini library. Yeah, I've shown you guys this mini library already, so there's no need of me going inside. Let me show you guys the last part of the reception, because the reception is huge. That's just the truth. It's very huge. We have this beautiful couch here that you can also sit, charge your phone, do any of your desk work you want to do. Ignore this bucket, okay? They are doing their cleaning normal. So this is a door leading you to the bar. In my next video, I am going to be giving you the bar tour. And we have this beautiful portrait design here, flower, and this fine thing pasted on the wall, including that other side. I love it. We have this beautiful light here. I need to be fast so that I don't ended up giving you plenty. This place is a bit dark. It's a bit dark, so I'll do another tour of the boardroom in another video, okay? Then we have these two beautiful couch here as well, chairs or couch, whatever, that you can also sit and the rest of that. So yeah, if I'm standing here, I can just turn like this so that you guys will see, and see. Let me stand here because it's like the light reflecting from outside is, sorry guys, our maintenance guy, the gen is having issues, so they are trying to fix it. That is why this place is there. I don't want to start waiting for him, okay, because I have a whole lot of work to do this morning. I need to upload this video today. You can see this is it, 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 and the rest of that. So guys, yes, that's all, because this video is like 3 days after the last one I filmed when I was having my breakfast and they are doing renovation. So after the renovation, that's like everything you guys need to know. Like, it's very good to renovate places, because when you renovate them, you see that everything becomes like very, very new. So all those hands crashed on the wall and every other stuff is cleared, okay? Yeah. So this is how beautiful our reception look like. And if you're looking for how you can actually locate us, you can locate us in Port Harcourt. If you're coming from anywhere at all, we can actually book an accommodation from you. This is Tower Hub facility. You can check us on the web, you can check us on Google. We are there. We are also registered on different hotel platforms and the rest of that. See, in fact, this place is home away from home, because I've not even started the rooms. If I enter the rooms, it's gonna be over for you guys. It's gonna be over for you guys. So in my next video, I'll be doing the boardroom tour and I'll be doing the bar tour at the same time, so that you guys also know if you have meetings or any other stuff that you want to do, you can actually just locate us down here in Port Harcourt and we are good to go. I know the good part of everything is that if you're coming in the name of Sonia, you're coming that, oh, I saw this video from deeonojas platform, be it on my YouTube page, on my Facebook page, sorry, my YouTube channel, TikTok, and the rest of that. We're going to be giving you a whole lot of discount, okay, for our smallest room. Our smallest room is 45,000, but we can give you at the rate of 30,000 naira, just for the sake that you're coming from me. See, I don't even want to start going into detail, because there are a lot of luxuries that you guys need to enjoy from us, okay? So let me not make this video more longer than it is, because I didn't even plan this to be long, but I just know that the reception is huge. That is why it is long. Drop me your comments. Do you love this luxury facility tour? Do you love how it's looking? Is there anything that is missing out that you feel that we need to put in place? You know, nobody is perfect. We are also still learning. We are also learning to upgrade our facility as time goes on. Let us know in the comment section and I'll be very happy to host you. Don't also forget that we have swimming pool, we have gym, we have board games and every other stuff. So I don't even want until I started going into those parts, you will understand better, okay? So yeah, thank you so much for staying stick and here with me. If you've not subscribed, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, don't forget to share. So with no further ado, like I always say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So for now, bye guys. Mwah.